Hey everybody, welcome back to Mixing with the Geek. Today we'll be making the Traveling Man, which is the paired cocktail for the October 2015 Vinyl Please featured album, There Will Be No Sad Tomorrow by Blessed Feathers. We'll start by chilling a rocks glass. You can do this one of two ways. One, you can simply put it in the freezer, or you can do how I'm going to do it and fill it with ice and set it aside while we build our cocktail. Next, we're gonna grab a mixing glass and add some ice. About halfway up should do it. And then we're gonna add 2 ounces of barrel-aged gin. Here I'm using the Few brand. Now we're gonna add 3/4 of an ounce of Demerara syrup. You can make this just like you make simple syrup, but instead of using white sugar, use a raw cane sugar. Next, we add 2 drops of Peychaud's bitters. Now to get drops out of these, you just very gently tip your bottle over your glass. And then we add 2 drops of Angostura Bitters. Same technique, just gently tip your bottle over. Now we're gonna stir to combine all the ingredients. So now we're gonna go grab our rocks glass that has been chilling out this whole time. Now we're gonna dump out this ice. And we're gonna do about 1/4 ounce of Herbsaint or any sort of anise-flavored liqueur like a Peychaud or even a absinthe would actually work in this case. So you want to kind of coat everywhere on here, all the way up to the top, and then we're just gonna dump the rest. Oh, that smells wonderful. If you guys like licorice, you're gonna love Herbsaint. Okay, lastly, we're gonna strain the contents of our mixing glass into our rocks glass. Okay, and now we're gonna add our garnish, which is just a lemon twist. So I'm gonna just peel a little bit of lemon right off of here, twist that around or curl it, however you want to do it, right there. And there you have the Traveling Man cocktail. See how it tastes. Wow. Whew, that is a delightfully strong cocktail. As you noticed, the only non-alcoholic ingredient was that Demerara syrup, and wow, there is a lot of flavor going on, from the barrel-aged gin, to Herbsaint, to the 2 bitters. This is what I'd call a spirit-forward drink. It's much more in the vein of a classic cocktail like a Manhattan or a martini. So I encourage you guys to make your own. Let me know how you like it. As always, be sure to enjoy responsibly. I am your Vinyl Geek, and I'll catch you on the flip side.